Welcome back to Flavor. We're in Westwood, New Jersey, right in the heart of Bergen County, and we're bringing you a neighborhood classic, Pompilio's Pizza. Home to some of the most creative pizza pies and Italian dishes you've ever seen. Our trip through beautiful Bergen County has been made possible by our friends at the All-American Auto Group. Because if you're gonna ride home, you gotta do it in style. And everyone knows, when you get home, you gotta grab a slice at Pomp's. So let's get those tomatoes tomatin' and get into this episode of the Fall Flavor Tour right now. All right, guys, welcome back to Flavor. Today, we're in Westwood, New Jersey at a Westwood staple, Pompilio's Pizza, baby. All the locals' favorite pizzeria. And today, we are joined by Westwood legend and recording artist, Robbie Maxx.
My guy, man.
Let's go get into the
Let's do this thing. Come on.
We're here with the man himself. Pomp, thank you for having us.
What's going on, man? Thanks for coming down.
So Max, you grew up in Westwood. What does Pomps mean for Westwood, and what's your favorite dish?
Well, first of all, I didn't just grow up in Westwood. I worked at Pompilius
There you go.
while living in Westwood, so I'm a staple to the
Double
Pompilius family. You understand? My go-to is the buffalo chicken slice, mashed potato slice.
Awesome
You know,
choice. Awesome
and
choice.
The garlic parm,
Your garlic chicken, garlic nut. Can't go wrong with that
Can't go
one.
wrong with that.
What slice you taking now?
I'm doing buffalo chicken.
I also got a Philly cheesesteak. I don't know if you want to go Philly,
I
but
think we can do that.
We got the buffalo chicken. We got a meat pie, which is to die for.
Let's get the Pompilios party started right now with some pizza.
Are you guys ready to enjoy a pie?
Oh,
Yes, I
Yeah,
am.
look at that. We got Philly cheese, buffalo chicken, our meat pie, and our mashed potato, bacon, cheddar cheese.
Which one would you dive into first?
It's right in front of my face, man. I'm going with the Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
try the mashed potatoes.
Okay. 2 bites. Everybody knows the rules.
I'll tell you something about this pie right here. North Jersey is heavy Irish Italian. I've never seen the Irish and Italian get along so well in my life. That is incredible.
This is very nice too. It's got a really nice crunch. I like when there's that little bit of a crunch on the bottom. It has a good fluff, like a good fluff, but a crunch on the bottom. This is it. Not too much.
Pomp, what's the key to getting the perfect crust?
Key to a perfect crust is being able to make sure you don't have that much moisture in the crust itself when you make it. And then when you put it in the oven, the right temperature always controls what the crust is going to taste like.
And is it all water? Everybody says the Jersey water is why all our bread
Actually,
water
it's New York water.
It's the New
but
York water.
But it's Jersey. We're
Yeah,
part
I
of
thought we
it.
had that one.
But yeah, it's all about the water. Oh, a nice piece of Italian bread, a good pizza, a bagel, you just can't do it.
Ain't beating North Jersey.
No way. Jersey's the place to be. And pull Gotti's head out and put my head there.
We got Grandpa right there.
1908 he came in over.
1908 came from Italy.
Came from Italy. What are your age? 21 years we here. 21 years we celebrated. We opened up in 97 and we just grew from there.
All right, so Pomp, we're getting into a main event right here. What do we got?
You have, again, you have homemade eggplant that's breaded right here at Pomp's in the restaurant. We have ricotta mozzarella, and we make a pink vodka sauce. It's with cherry tomatoes, a little bit of onion, fresh basil. It's a party in your mouth, man.
Oh,
You know, we had time. You want to make a meatball, you should taste my meatball. You know what? Let me call out a couple of meatballs, too, with that.
absolutely. Eggplant rolantini right now with vodka sauce. Oh my God. That's silly. Look at the cheese is rolling out of the rolantini.
Right, we got our famous buffalo wings made into a regular buffalo sauce.
My go-to.
We got our barbecue wings,
Okay.
all right, which the barbecue sauce is made special for us. And then these are our Pompey wings. They're our buffalo sauce with our own special seasonings.
Just give me.
No, I can't. I really wish I
That's
could.
an onion. Give me.
No, you
It's
tell
an
me.
onion.
You taste it and you tell me.
You doing it right
There
now?
you go.
something going on here. That's special.
I'm gonna see how good your taste buds are, and I'll tell you. I'll
If
tell
I
you.
know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
Garlic
There you go, brother. That's it. It's fresh garlic.
and buffalo.
Yeah, buffalo. And well, there are other spices in there.
Pomp, you coached both of these guys.
Both of them, and then many more on top of that.
How many kids do you think you've coached throughout your years in Westwood?
Oh, good Lord, hundreds. It was 19 years.
And you know what? Those were some of the greatest days. But the one story I love to tell, I'll never forget it. 8th grade season, getting ready to whoop up on Cresskill.
Yeah, no, it was
Coach
Riverville.
comes in to find. Oh, we used to pound River. Tell this man what we did to Riverville.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
this man is he's delusional. But anyway, coach is coming up, getting us fired up, right? He goes, after this game, I'm gonna bring in a pizza pie for anyone that scores a touchdown, gets a sack. All that. So we're all like, wait a minute, this guy's gonna bring it. Sure enough, after the game, Monday practice,
We're on
here my
the
man
floor.
comes, stacks the pizza. Hey, you got 2 sacks, here's 2 pies. All right.
13 years
What a
old,
day.
2 pies. How you gonna eat 2 pies?
yeah.
He had no idea even who to give it to him.
Oh yeah, hey, here's a slice for you, buddy. You know? But yeah, we did whoop up on Cresskill. We enjoyed a lot
We
of
whooped
pizza.
on a lot of towns, man.
Cheers, guys. It's a New Jersey beer.
How you doing, eh?
And, you know,
Doing, eh?
we just, we were talking before about the little Riverville-Westwood rivalry. And
State championship.
what'd you have to say about the
State
Raiders?
championship.
What'd you say about the Raiders?
We lost 31-0. But state championship.
Cheers, guys. All right, guys, and that'll do it for this episode of Flavor from right here in Westwood, New Jersey at Pomps. Pomp, thank you so much.
No, you're welcome, man. Anytime. Send them out. Send them my way.
Absolutely will.
Just gonna be back.
Yeah, well, welcome back.
Sure, yeah.
Man. We're home. We're
I know,
family.
home sweet home, man.
We're home, baby.
Yeah,
Robbie,
we're all
thank you so
family.
much for coming out.
Already know, man.
And guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you here next time on Flavor. See ya.